Welcome back, MathLovers. So today I'm going to reveal a small information about cubic discriminant formula. So all the students are much aware about quadratic discriminant formula, which is b square minus 4ac for ax square plus bx plus c. And they also know the conditions. If discriminant is equal to 0, that means both the roots are real and equal. If discriminant is greater than 0, both the roots are real and distinct. If discriminant is less than 0, both the roots are not real. So, but like the questions that come up in the exams are not just limited to quadratic, but they do ask a lot of questions nowadays about cubic. So cubic of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So where all a, b, c, d are all real. Belong to all real numbers. The cubic discriminant formula says b square c square minus 4ac cube minus 4b cube d minus 27a square d square plus 18 ABCD. This is the formula. It might look very tough to remember. At the same time, if you remember, there's a lot of advantages of it. In exams, the most terrifying part of the cubic polynomials is like they come up with some term missing, like either the x term missing or x square term missing. Then you can imagine this formula. When x term is missing or x square term is missing, meaning either c is 0 or b is 0, then a lot of terms get cancelled out, leaving out only one or two terms left out in this discriminant formula. So it will help us to at least know how many roots are present, what they are, and all. So after you substitute and all, so if the discriminant value comes out to be greater than 0, that means you are going to have three real distinct roots. If discriminant comes out to be equal to 0, then it means at least two roots are equal. The conditions come like roots are real. It comes roots comes like alpha, beta, or all the three roots being same, but roots are real. So last condition, discriminant less than 0, that means there is only one real root, the other two being complex roots. We would see the usage of this formula in many questions in forthcoming videos. Okay, for instance, I'm just showing you an example, x cube plus 5x plus 3. So in this cubic polynomial, you notice x square term is missing. So that means the value of b is 0. If b is 0, then the first term, third term, the last term, everything got cancelled off because it becomes 0. Minus 4ac cube. So minus 4 into a value is 1. C cube. So that will become 3 cube. Minus 27a square d square. Minus 27a square, that's 1 square, d square, that is again 9. So this gives us the idea that this value comes out to be less than 0. Since discriminant is less than 0, that means there is only one real root. So they can, for lower grades also, they can make a question on this asking How many real roots are there for this cubic? So since decimal is less than 0, there's only one real root. Thank you, math lovers. We'll come with more interesting videos in the future.